So hello guys, welcome back to another video of how to make a professional intro. Welcome back, and first you need to download intro maker and just open it. It will take time. After opening, you need to go to kill and just click, and you can find here intro maker of 10 seconds between 2 VIP, and you need to do just download. And it will come like this, and you need to add your what you need to write. After writing your text, you need to add some of the finishing touch, and you need to see what you like to add your text font. And so after adding your font color and so you need to check, and it will come like this, and this one you need to delete, and sometimes we glitch, and then look at it will like this. And you can just write here another text. You can just delete this as well. Yeah, you can delete if you want to write others, and this looks kind of same, so you need to click. So you can trim from here, and just go to trim. I have already trimmed that other unnecessary part. You can also do fade in out, so I'll do 0, and it will like this. So there's a problem, no music, so you need to add go to music and just choose it. So you can just download, and it's all non-copyright. It's not to see anything, and then it's nice. You need to add not fade in, fade out 100%. Then you just do. Yeah, and you can add text, title, etc. The stickers as well, and you can just do subscribe kind of thingy. I'll just do it. I like it. I'll keep in the corner. So and you can just do increase that subscribers 1K. Pictures you can add it. So for now this much. I'll see you in the next video.